both of them. Uh, Specifically, we're looking at that 33 area, on the ES. So, if we can say price stays below that 16 area, ooh, I should turn that off. That should not have been on. And there you go. That's how you lose a trade. You don't pay attention. Uh, so again, price staying below this 33 area, guys, we really have to be at like sellers. We could almost call 33 to the pivot kind of a no-fly zone today, most likely. It's already told us that we're going to get some wonky trades from there anyway. Uh, so the idea would be that if we stay below 33, we should be selling this to at least 5,500, right? So right now, kind of stuck right in the middle. So let's just hang tight. Now, interesting thing about this though too is that we went into daily resistance. So while we're waiting for a trade here, several days here, we come into a major resistance area on the daily chart. So again, that's still about 50 points above us, that major resistance area. So about, sorry, 30 points above us. Excuse me, 40 points above us. It's 40 points above us. So resistance is 40 points above. So what I'm saying is guys, we got to kind of draw a line in the sand and say, hey, where's our line in the sand today? Well, somewhere in the middle. Let's call it somewhere in the middle, right here, around 33 to the pivot. Um, Above that, we're looking at long trades today. Below that, we've got to be looking at short trades. Does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense, guys? Everybody got it? And this is just to save some time here because you're getting a short setup here in a second. You're getting a short setup here in just a second too. Give it just a second longer. But we are really in a big range here, guys. Big, big range. I mean, don't let this fool you. This is a big range. Look at it, guys. Tell me this is not a big range. Now it's an ascending range, but don't look at that as a channel or something. I would not at all. These are just attempts at this resistance area. So take be cautious. This is the point I'm trying to make. You are range bound inside day trading. So what did I say at the very beginning? Be patient, wait calmly, stay away from these tops and breakouts. In a situation like this, your sell order is going to come from an area where the 89 is going to start to turn up. That's your best opportunities you can come from, not the best uh, uh, confluence uh, with your 89 potential. And that's just how today's going to be, guys. Why is it going to be that way? Is an inside range bound day, and we have chop and breakout. 89 will turn up and down a lot, especially when we have this kind of expanded price action. So your best trades typically will come from a non on a daily day. Does that make sense, people? You guys got that? I'll ask that again. So that's my final comment here is just know that you're gonna have to trade with momentum, but a lot of good trades are gonna come from above the 89 most likely. And below it, if you're on the top side of it, a lot of good trades will come from below the 89 today. Um, Now obviously we do have a slight, we want to be looking for the downside of things slightly. Um, and and I think this is probably good to start shorting from. Should be a little resistance in this area. Mm-mm. Did anybody take that hook and stochastics down? I wouldn't blame you if you didn't. It wasn't pretty. It was not pretty, but it would have worked. Told you it was coming. I called it in advance. It took a little while to get there. Make it caught a part of it. Okay, good job, Kevin. That's all right. now. Somebody's trying to sell this. Somebody's trying to get it down here, but another bigger M. Somebody's trying to push it down, aren't they? It's interesting too. What's interesting to me is you had the drive before the Open, and got all out. Good job. There you go, buddy. Keep on it. Um, Try to grab some stops and then push it back down. Um, Now we're starting to see a chopper out a little bit. Um, yeah, here we go. Chop, chop. Told you what we're gonna get, guys. Chop, chop, chop. This is not where I thought the chop was gonna be at, but there you go. What is that? What, are you on a bus right now, Michael? What's going on? There you go, Lulu. That's smart to do. Uh, Trailer, right? Um, Guys, I would I would read Lulu's statement. Sticking with the rules on this one. 89 is sideways. We'll put you in the trailer park. Listen to what Lulu says here. 89 sideways. Sit yourself down, sit on your hands, and wait for the breakout. And then after the breakout, you take the next good trade. Should we get a break? Hmm. breakout, okay? So, again, we gotta look at this region. I'm not gonna do this again, but you guys get the idea here. Price staying above this little region we marked off, we have to be buyers. Price staying below this little region, we gotta be how many points where we can still make money, e even if price breaks below and stays below 33, right, was what we're looking at, 33, and it stays below 33, there's still plus we've got plenty of room on the sides of this area, that's what I'm trying to make. Does that make sense, guys? So why would we push it in this area when we know this is gonna be the choppy area? Let it push up and come back and retest for a long signal, or let it push down and come back up for a retest for a short signal. One of the 2 is gonna happen. One of the 2 will happen. Do you want me to does anybody wanna bet me that one of those 2 things will happen today? It will happen today. Breakout box.
Welcome to Pretty Trading Club, everyone. Miss Paulina here. Hopefully, you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us in the trade room for live trade calls, join us on a free trial by visiting libertytradingclub.com. There's also a link in the description below. Please like, subscribe, and share.